Creating PowerPoint presentations shouldn't take hours. Yet most people spend way too much time formatting slides, organizing content, and trying to make them look professional. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean, professional PowerPoint presentation in just one click using AI. For this tutorial, we'll be using Gamma AI. The link is in the description below if you want to follow along. Once you open Gamma, you'll see a few different ways to create your presentation, depending on what kind of content you have and how much control you want. The first option is to generate slides from a simple one-line prompt. This is great if you just have a topic in mind. You type in the idea, hit generate, and in seconds, Gamma creates a fully structured presentation for you. It organizes the slides, adds headings, and formats them so everything looks neat and professional. The second option is to paste information from your notes, outlines, or any existing content. If you've already written down your ideas, Gamma can automatically turn them into slides. It will organize your text, format it nicely, and even suggest improvements so the presentation is clear and easy to follow. This is the option we'll focus on in this video, as it's ideal for turning your notes into a complete presentation quickly and efficiently. You also have the option to import an existing file or URL from a document, web page, or previous presentation. If your content already exists in a file, you can import it directly instead. Just click Import Files, select your PDF, Word document, or PowerPoint, and click Continue. Gamma will convert it into a fully editable presentation, saving you hours if you already have material prepared. And if you like starting with a design ready-made, there's a template option. You can select a professional template and just customize the content. This is great for a polished look without starting from scratch. Once you've chosen your method, now it's time to add your content. Copy and paste your notes, outlines, or any information you want in the slides into the text box. The next step is to set your preferred PowerPoint dimension. For this tutorial, I'm going with the standard 16:9, which works well on most screens and projectors. This ensures your slides will look great whether you're presenting in person or online. After pasting, you can choose how you want Gamma to handle the text. Generate slides from your notes, summarize longer sections into concise, presentation-ready points, or preserve the exact text as you pasted it. Once you've made your choice, click Continue to move to the prompt editor and start generating your slides. You can adjust how much text appears on each slide, choose the language, and select a presentation theme that fits your style. Gamma AI also gives you the option to add images to your presentation. You can select the image source from the list, or skip it by clicking Done, Add Images if you prefer no images. For the AI image model, you can leave it on default, choose a style, and even add keywords to guide the visuals if you want. This step is optional, but adding images can make your presentation more engaging and visually appealing. After you've reviewed all your settings and are happy with your selections, simply click Generate. And in just a few moments, Gamma AI will create your full PowerPoint presentation automatically. The slides are neatly organized, visually appealing, and ready to use. No manual formatting required. Once your presentation is ready, it's time to make it truly your own. You can edit any element on the slides. This includes text, images, shapes, or charts. To do this, just double-click on any element you want to change, and a menu will pop up. For images, select Edit Image, which will let you replace it or adjust it to better fit your slides. Don't be afraid to experiment. Move things around, resize text boxes, or change fonts until it looks just right. Remember, a clean and consistent design makes your presentation look professional and easier for your audience to follow. As you go through each slide, pay attention to details like spacing, alignment, and colors. A small adjustment, like centering a text box or matching colors across slides, can make a big difference. You want your slides to not just have information, but also look polished and easy to read. When you're happy with all the edits, it's time to share and export your presentation. Click Share, then Export, and download the file. Keep in mind that with the free version of Gamma AI, your downloaded slides will come with a watermark at the bottom. This is common for free tools, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround. To remove the watermark, open your downloaded presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Go to Insert, select Shape, and choose a rectangle. Resize the rectangle to cover the lower part of your slide, where the watermark appears. You can then adjust the color of the rectangle to match your slide background or theme, so it blends in seamlessly. If you want, you can also add some design touches like a gradient or shadow to make it look intentional. This way, your slides are completely clean, professional, and ready to present. And that's it. Your full, polished PowerPoint presentation is ready to use. You can now share it for school projects, business meetings, or online content. The best part is that using this method saves you hours compared to designing each slide manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you supported my channel by subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another simple way to work smarter and faster.